good people of Nigeria. It has happened in Edo State, it happened in Cross River State, it happened in Enugu State, it happened in Kogi State, it happened in Benue State, it happened in different places. Massive migrations of individuals, young individuals, males from northern Nigeria in massive trucks migrating all the way down to the south. Ordinarily, there's nothing wrong with people moving from one part of the country to another. But what is going on now leaves so many unanswered questions. Who are these people? Where are they going? If they get to Enugu State or get to River State or get to Delta State, where are they going to stay? What are they going to do there? So it's not that these individuals are traveling with skills that they were going to use to contribute to the economy of the states. It's not that we have skilled artisans who are going to take part in construction work or going to take part in farms and all of that. What are they going to do? Where are they going to stay? These thousands of people. And then why this time? Why this particular time? When there's even a federal government imposed lockdown that forbids that people move from one state to the other. Who is funding these movements? Because when you look at those trucks, many of them are brand new. And then some of them don't have number. Who is sponsoring this? So there's so many questions unanswered. Now, I'm not in the military and I'm not a politician. Neither am I part of the intelligence community. So I'm not going to put out any conspiracies out there. But my instincts think that everything is not okay. This is unprecedented and this is very, very unusual. And no one is talking to us. Now, what are we going to do about it? Yeah, so some people have said, let's pray. That is fine. Prayer has its place. But I think it's much more than that right now. And again, unfortunately, the communities do no longer have faith in the police to protect them. And this is why the Southwest governors, in their wisdom, have resorted to self-help. And they have the Amotico. But the Southeast is completely not there yet in terms of self-help. So, what I'm going to suggest very strongly that every community does is use your town halls, set up scouts among yourselves to be vigilant, to watch what is going on in your communities. Monitor all these movements in your communities. Talk about them. Create emergency response committees. Think about the different scenarios, what could happen, and how you are going to respond should anything happen. Now, I'd rather be prepared and wrong than to be unprepared and right. And things don't look really, really normal, and I pray desperately that I am wrong about it. But please monitor the movements in your communities. Resort to some kind of self-help, at least in getting information about what is knowing what is going on around your forest, around the places that you live, around your communities, and then beginning to think, should this happen, what do we do in the event?